Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this week we are at the Expedition Georgia Adventure Vehicle Roundup. If you would consider subscribing, every subscriber helps build this channel, so thanks for watching. That being said, roll the video. Hold on. So these types of events are actually my favorite type of event. These grassroots, small, community type events. Got to meet with a lot of the vendors. Right now people are just hanging out, cleaning up camp for the day. But a lot of cool rigs out here. I've met a lot of cool people. They've put this together with Expedition Georgia and it's been a great event. Several vendors, they did talks, they did games, and they actually did a cook-off, and we won the cook-off. So we've got a brand new stove which we'll be doing a review on in the future. Hey guys, we're here with Dave who put this whole event together from Expedition Georgia. Dave, tell us a little bit about the event.
Yeah, so this is the Adventure Vehicle Roundup. This is technically our second time doing it. We haven't done it since 2019. It's a big event that we put on just for people to get out, learn some stuff, check out other people's rigs, and we've had everything from, you know, 47-foot fifth wheels to we got an Infinity over there, and there's people that are camping for their first time. So it's a big camping event really to learn. We've had classes, competitions, giveaways, and just live music, whole bunch of community, and it's been really good.
Yeah, I really appreciate it. And what I was telling everybody is, you know, these overland expos and everything, they get way too big. I love these like small ones that build communities.
Yeah, so. And that's what we're trying to do, just keep it small and, you know, accessible and not scary.
All right, well thanks Dave.
I appreciate it. Yeah.
Make sure you go check out Expedition Georgia over on Instagram. Give them a follow. Been to Jeep Beach and we went to Great Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion. And there's no real personal one-on-one camaraderie. I mean, over here you can have a drink, you cook some food, hang out with your buddies and friends, plan future trips together. Find people that are in your area to go adventure with, and it's just a great opportunity. So anytime you can go to one of these smaller expos or overland meetups, I would highly encourage you to do that. That's how I've met a lot of the people I've met. It started off with the New Year's rendezvous over in Ellijay, Georgia, and then we've been to other events from there, meet new people along the way. But it's always good to find people for potential trips in the future, that and just share knowledge. Faye Wanders, she gave a class yesterday. She did a class on long distance planning. She does all kinds of trips, all different places, hiking, overlanding, a lot of the stuff we've used before, like Hip Camp, but a few new sites to help you plan your trip. It was a great opportunity to learn from others who, you know, like-minded people who go out and adventure, and it gave us some things to look at for our future adventures. All right guys, I want to show you the new setup. So this is a VL75 fridge. This thing's huge, a little bit messy back here, but we got to pack up real quick because we're getting ready to hit some trails, hopefully fill up our trash bag. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, so doing a little more trash trail cleanup here. Here's all the vehicles. Got a Jeep up front leading the way, blue 4Runner. Got Dave, Corey, our Jeep, and that. And then here's the little Land Rover over here. But this is a historic mill site, so Frontier Fort Mill Village, ghost town. Oh, this could be pretty cool. It's pretty neat. Never knew this was here. So you gotta go out and explore, man. There's the ruins. Alright guys, so we're over here at this historic mill site. Look at the decorative brickwork there. Out in the middle of nowhere. Pretty cool. So this is a pretty spot. Alright guys, we're gonna get a little wet.
Go passenger a little bit. There you go. There you go. A little more passenger. There you go.
Back across. Trail Did not air down. Lots of blacktop in between. Roger, keep rolling over. So I think Dave knows every time I try to record, he always calls me every time I got the camera in my hand. I think he knows I drive a manual too. I need another hand. Steering wheel, both feet, both hands, usually engaged. Pretty dusty out there. We'll have to clean up the air filter. Another little water crossing here. Hey guys, you don't see cows like this unless you go somewhere like Texas. Check these longhorns out. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you would, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, ring the bell so you get the notifications and keep coming back for more. Once again, you guys get to come along for the ride and I get to share my dream with you. But the true purpose of this channel is help motivate, inform, and inspire you so you can get out there and start building your dreams.